Welcome to Study Up. So today our topic is design a NOR gate using NAND gate and design a NAND gate using NOR gate. So first, design a NAND gate using NOR gate. So first we need to draw a NAND gate. So this is a NAND gate and its output is normally y equals to a dot b complement, and this is NOR gate, and the output of NOR gate gives you a plus b complement. So the question is design an NAND gate using NOR gate only. So we need to construct an NAND gate using NOR gate only. So let's see how. So first take a NOR gate like this, connect these two inputs. So if you apply a here, it will give you a complement. Similarly, take another NOR, connect these two inputs here, so it will give you b complement here. Take another NOR gate, connect these two inputs, and this gate will give you a complement plus b complement and its whole complement. Now we need to apply De Morgan theorem on this equation. So it will give you the a complement, a double complement dot b double complement. So this means a dot b. So this gate will give you a dot b simply. Next, we need to take another NOR gate like this, connect the two inputs, and as a result, this gate will ultimately give you a dot b whole complement. So this is how we can construct design a NAND gate using NOR gate, because we know this is the expression of NAND gate. Okay, so now our topic is design an NOR gate using NAND gate only. So first we need to take here NAND gate and connect these two inputs of an NAND gate, and it will give you a complement. Take another NAND gate and connect their two inputs like this and apply B here. So therefore it will give you B complement, and then we must connect these two inputs into a NAND gate, which is this one, and as a result this NAND gate will give you a complement dot B complement and its whole complement. So now you must apply the De Morgan theorem. So it will give you a double complement plus B double complement. So A plus B. Now we must connect this output to a NAND gate like this, and ultimately you will get the result, which is A plus B complement. And we know that this is the expression of an NOR gate. So this is how we can construct a NOR gate using only NAND gates.